carrot juice. Hi, my name is Mark, and this is my little brother. And we're going to instruct you guys on how to make carrot juice.
Don't let infertility keep you from having the baby you want. Call RNA Connecticut at 800-865-5430.
The first step of the carrot juice, to get the carrot out, you got to have a big bag. You know, one of those bags is good enough. 2 bags, you know, in the step of making the carrot juice. You want a good amount of carrot. You know, once you have all the carrots all spread out, now you get a knife, a good enough knife, a sharp enough knife, as you could scrape it down a little. Start by scraping it down a little bit. You don't want to take too much off. You want to scrape as much as you can to make it look orange. Take the skin off and make it as fresh as possible. Also, you should wash it before. I didn't wash mine. Scrape it down, make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want to take too much off, because if you take too much off, you're going to have less carrot juice. You want to have as much as possible and save as much money. Scrape it off. You're going to take the bottom part off. You want to take the top part off with the root on it.
You may or may not know that furniture is a blind item. When you see something advertised, it fits or
scrape it good. Well, make sure you get everything off. At the same time, you want to keep it at the same size. You don't bullcrap. In this video, you will learn how to make your own carrot juice. Now, when you're finished, you have the carrots over there, which is dirty. Now you're gonna wash them up. Machines that could crush the carrots up and, you know, turn it into juice. It's called a juicer, actually. So now I'm gonna cut it up in pieces so I could put it in the juicer at a reasonable size, and this is a reasonable size for it. Now that the pieces are cut up, it's time to put it in the juicer. This is the trash from the juicer from over here, and it collects in there. If you have a juicer, this will come useful when you're making carrot juice. This is the trash. Now I'm going to recycle the trash. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to recycle it so I can get some more juice. Order. Gotta make it. I'm going to recycle it, as I'm going to take the juice out of this and squeeze it into there. My hands have been washed. My hands are clean. It's not no dirty hand. I'm trying to mix it around. I get that 100% juice, or let me see. I get good juice out of it, by the way. And
tonight's Powerball jackpot is approximately $150 million. Play today, and please play responsibly.
now we're going to strain the carrot juice out of this, the raw carrot juice. So right now I'm straining it to make sure it takes out all the trash, or the remaining trash that's in it. Almost use the condensed milk to sweeten the carrot juice. This is the natural way.
You just gotta slow your roll, take your time, and do it right.
Okay. Now I'm gonna cut one open, put it in there. Gotta get a can opener. Nice, rich condensed milk.
Studio 108 trying to get Saturday night dance party rolls on. Say hello to Dana in Trumbull tonight. Hey, I got an idea. Let's freak out. 107.9.
Right? Right? Stop this. Now I'm gonna add some rum to it, Jamaican rum, Jamaican white rum actually. I'm gonna add ever. Now that's the end of the video now, folks. Hope you guys learned how to make carrot juice step by step. You know, even though I didn't explain it, I was just doing it because it's kind of hard when you have one person dealing with the camera, and I'm dealing with the camera. And my little brother, he's helping me out also. I don't have my other cameraman that generally helps me, which is my older brother. But I made a decent video, and I'm now tired. If you see my eyes kind of red. This is my second time making carrot juice, actually recording it, and I want this one to be shorter to go on YouTube. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I enjoyed making this video. So you want to say something, little bro? He's kind of tired. Say something. Say you're tired and you want to go to sleep. So my eyes are red. I need to eat some dinner, but that's what I'm about to go do. And you know what I mean? Enjoy the vid.
It looks like a high-end import. I must be paying you too much. Slow down.